This video will show you how to go from your picture to your picture inside a circle or any other shape that you want. You simply insert picture, so insert then picture, then from your device, and then find whatever picture you want, or you can go online, pictures or stock images. So you have your picture. So when you have your picture, there's two ways to do it. The first way is you go to picture format, you then go over to crop to shape, then you go and click this oval shape. So it will appear like this. So if you prefer this, that's fine. But if you prefer more of a circle shape, what you do is you go back to picture format, go down to crop, and you click aspect ratio and change that to 1:1. That now turns it into a circle. What you notice is that the positioning isn't quite right. So what you do is you just go back a step, picture format, 1:1. So when we have it select like this, this is the time that we reposition it. So we can reposition it so that you're more inside the circle if you're outside the circle. That looks good to me. Press tick. So maybe that can be a bit more to the right. Just go back. Yeah, I think that will do. And that's that. So you've got that. So that's the first way. Incidentally, like I said, you can click any other shape. So we have loads of different shapes here. Triangle, parallelogram if you prefer. So any other shape that you want, you can also do. The second way to do that is to insert shape. So insert shape. Then you draw out a circle. Then you select the shape. Shape format, shape fill. Picture, insert the picture. And then again, if you wanted to then resize the picture, because like right now it's looking a bit squashed if you look at this one compared to that one, go to picture format, go over to crop, aspect ratio 1:1. Then you can move it and you've got a similar picture. Noticeably, outside on the outside we've got this line. So to get rid of the line on the outside, or maybe you might want it. If you want to keep the line on the outside, you can make it thicker. And you can also change the color. So shape format, shape outline. You can also change the color. So you want that to be black, for example. You can have that as black. But if you want to remove that completely, shape outline, then no outline. That removes that. Now you know how to crop an image into a circle. Hit that subscribe button for more, and I'll see you next time.